Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra official images and color options leaked. A fresh set of official promotional images has been leaked, showcasing the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The leak, courtesy of insider Evan Blass, reveals the models in all their color variants with crystal clear visuals, free of watermarks. Color variants: Galaxy S25 Ultra, available in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, offered in silver shadow, mint ice blue, and navy. Highlight features: Samsung has been steadily teasing the Galaxy S25 series, focusing on design refinements and software advancements. Key highlights include upgraded Now Bar and Now Brief, enhancing user interaction and productivity. Enhanced nightography, improved low-light photography capabilities. Gemini-powered Samsung apps, delivering smarter, AI-driven experiences. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is set to launch in the US on January 26. Pre-reservations are already open, with pre-orders starting on launch day. The official release is expected between early and mid-February. Powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the S25 series promises efficient displays, advanced AI features, smoother animations, and an innovative suite of Samsung extensions. Last-minute Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks reveal Samsung's powerful upgrades. With just days to go before Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event, exciting new leaks about the Galaxy S25 Ultra are taking the tech world by storm. The latest flagship promises a blend of cutting-edge hardware and innovative features, setting the stage for one of Samsung's most impressive releases yet. January 16 update, new AI features and camera specs confirmed. Fresh leaks from Brazilian site Technoblog and renowned tipsters like Ice Universe reveal official promotional materials and screenshots of upcoming features, confirming many rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's capabilities. From upgraded cameras to advanced AI tools, the device is shaping up to be a powerhouse of innovation. Game-changing camera upgrades. While the S25 Ultra's hardware changes may seem modest at first glance, its new capabilities make a compelling case for photographers and videographers alike. Ultra-wide camera overhaul. The ultra-wide camera receives a massive boost, moving from a 12-megapixel sensor in the S24 Ultra to a 50-megapixel sensor in the S25 Ultra. This four-fold resolution increase is expected to drastically enhance clarity, especially for macro shots. Nighttime video excellence. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is rumored to play a pivotal role in improving low-light video performance, with higher-resolution ultra-wide footage and smoother transitions between lenses. Audio eraser technology. Borrowing from Google's Pixel 8 series, Samsung's new audio eraser feature uses AI to remove unwanted background noise from videos. Already previewed in leaked screenshots, this tool is expected to roll out with One UI 7, benefiting both the S25 Ultra and older Galaxy models. Log video mode, a long-awaited feature for content creators. Log video recording offers extended dynamic range and greater flexibility for color grading during post-production, aligning Samsung with competitors like Apple. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to leverage Samsung's One UI 7 firmware and Google's Gemini AI assistant for an intelligent, personalized experience. Users will be able to interact with YouTube and Samsung Notes seamlessly. For example, you could ask Gemini to list places mentioned in this video and save a note, combining AI with productivity. Now brief. This new feature delivers timely, tailored updates throughout the day. Examples include a good morning summary with weather and sleep insights, a for your route guide with commuting tips, and a night summary highlighting fitness achievements and memorable moments. Confirmed camera and battery specs. Leaked promotional materials have also confirmed the camera and battery specifications for the Galaxy S25 series. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus cameras, a 50-megapixel main sensor with 2x in-sensor zoom, 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Battery, a 4,900 mAh capacity, capable of up to 30 hours of video playback. Galaxy S25 Ultra. Cameras, a 200-megapixel main sensor with 2x in-sensor zoom, 50-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and an upgraded 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The selfie camera is a 12-megapixel shooter. Battery, a 5,000 mAh capacity, offering up to 31 hours of video playback. Performance. All models in the Galaxy S25 series will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM as standard. AI features. The S25 series introduces several AI-powered tools to enhance daily use. Now Brief, personalized summaries tailored to your day, including Morning Brief, weather updates, schedule overview, and energy score insights from Samsung wearables. Commute Brief, automatically starts navigation and music playback when you enter your vehicle. Evening Summary provides a recap of daily activity trends and memorable moments, such as photo collages. Google Gemini integration. Samsung apps will now work seamlessly with Google's AI assistant, allowing features like content reading from YouTube and interaction with Samsung Notes. These features promise a blend of performance, longevity, and smart personalization, setting the Galaxy S25 series apart. Samsung has redefined innovation, packing cutting-edge technology into a sleek, premium design that screams sophistication. With its futuristic 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED X2 display, boasting an adaptive 144 Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits of peak brightness, this device is a visual feast. The Exynos 2500 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, depending on your region, ensures unmatched performance, making multitasking, gaming, and productivity smoother than ever.